All right, I'm going to do number 2b on this dude. Okay, so we're given two terms. We're given our 7th term and a 13th term. So a sub 7 equals 8 and a sub 13 equals 6. It says find the first 3 terms. Okay, so in order to find the first 3 terms, what we're going to do is first find the first term. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, and we also need to find out what our common ratio is. I think that would really help on this. Now, for what you call for geometric sequences. Oh no, it says arithmetic. Oh, I thought this was man. That makes it way easier. Okay, so we got 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is just a visual. You guys wouldn't have to do this yourselves. I'm just trying to teach you something. So we're going from 8 to 6. Is the common difference going to be positive or is it going to be negative? Because we're going down, right? How many times are we adding this common difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if we add it 6 times, then we'll get, like, if we add our common difference 6 times to 8, we'll get to 6, which is our 13th term. So this is what we do, guys. It's like the slope. You guys remember finding the slope? We're going to go 6 minus 8. And then on the bottom, we're going to go 13 minus 7. Check this out. 13 minus 7, that's 6. Hey, we got that. Remember that? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You remember that?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we go 6 minus 8, that's negative 2. So if I simplify this dode, we're going to get negative 1 over 3.
What?
Yeah. You sound... that's what. Okay. Our common difference is negative 1/3. We need to find the first term, though. So here, check this out. I'm going to use this cool equation thing that you guys probably heard of.
It's that equation. Called the equation.
This is a formula, okay? We're looking for a sub 1. Man, I wish I had an n and an a sub n that I could plug in.
Man, I wonder.
Oh, I do. I have 2 of them. I can use this one or I can use this one. Which one do you guys want to use? The first one. Okay, I'll use the first one, Miles. Good job. All right. So we have 8 equals a sub 1 7 minus 1, and we're going to multiply this by 1 over 3, negative 1 over 3. This is going to be a 6, right? What is 6 times negative 1 over 3? Negative 2, right?
Yeah.
So we have 8 equals a sub 1 minus 2. And those of you guys who are scared of fractions and stuff, you're like, oh my gosh, what just happened? 6 times negative 1 over 3. We're going to make the 6 into a fraction, and we multiply straight across. Now, you can multiply straight across right where we're at right now, or you guys can cross-cancel. I like cross-canceling, but I'm going to go ahead and just multiply straight across. That's going to be negative 6 over 3, and you can clearly see now that we get negative 2. So now, what do I have to do next? I have to add 2 to both sides, and I get a sub 1 equals 10.
Yay.
There's your first term. Okay. Oh, but wait. It said find the first 3 terms.
Oh my goodness.
What's after 10? 9 and 2/3, and then 9 and 1/3. Those are your 3 answers. My solutions are wrong? Okay, I'll fix them. Same process for 2A, guys. Same process.